Hi, this is Dan Collins coming to you live from Traders Expo New York. Today I'm being joined by Kiana Danial from InvestDiva.com.
Nice to be here. I appreciate the time.
All right, it's great to have you with us. Now, you've been educating people in Forex markets. Talk a little bit about how InvestDiva.com came about.
Right. So actually, interesting thing is that I don't have a background in finance. I studied electrical engineering in Japan for 7 years. And in 2008, when the markets were crashing, I had no idea what's happening. I saw the dollar going down and getting cheaper for this Japanese yen. I was like, this is a good time to buy US dollar. And that is how I was kind of looking for a way to point where the market is going to go exactly. And one of my friends told me, hey, you can actually optimize this and leverage, use leverage in the broker and maximize your profits too. I had no idea what he told me, but it sounded cool. We did it. In 1 month, I made $10,000 in a very small investment. I was like, I'm in, I want to do Forex. So I packed my bags and I came to New York, and that's how it all started.
That's great. But I mean, you have an extremely international background, which is important, because people who maybe live from America and haven't traveled a lot, they don't think about the risk with currencies. But give us a little bit about your background and why you're so understand these things.
Right. So, well, I was born and raised in Iran to a Jewish family, and throughout the years, I was there until I was 18. And the U.S. dollar value and other currencies value is a big part of your life. I always remember asking my dad, okay, who decides how much U.S. dollar is going to be today? Because it really impacts your day-to-day life with the merchandise and the purchases that you make. And my dad would just give me an answer. It really didn't make sense to me. So this whole thing really came together in 2008. And then I came to New York, and I started working at one of the biggest brokers on Wall Street. And it was so fascinating for me to see how these prices are fluctuating and how people can lose and make money.
It is amazing. And there's, the great thing about Forex, we might have mentioned earlier, is that it affects every other market too. You need to know Forex, don't you?
Oh yeah, it absolutely does, especially if you're investing internationally, or even the markets that any stock that you're investing today that does business internationally. The Forex market and the fluctuation of the currency is definitely going to impact their business. So even if you're a stock trader, you have to understand what the global economy is going. You have to understand the fundamentals of the currencies, because that will impact the company that you're investing in. So it's definitely huge.
Okay, well, it's fascinating. We're going to take a quick break here, but we'll be back with Kiana with more talk from Traders Expo New York.